Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine at your home and studying for your midterm exam. Today in maths class, we will do multiplication. And what is the topic? Yes, it is multiplication of two-digit numbers with regrouping, which means in this multiplication sums, there is carrying. So, let's begin our class. So, let us start, children, doing multiplication. And first question that we have is, we have to multiply 26 with 3. And we have 6 in ones place and 2 in tens place. And in our previous class, we have learned that we have to start doing multiplication from the ones digit number. So, let us start doing. So, 3 6 are how much, children? Yes, 3 6 are 18. So, 18, the whole number we will write here? No, children. This is something new that you have to learn here. That 18, we are writing 18 here. Means 3 6 are 18. And from 18, this is ones digit number and this is tens digit number. Now from 18, the ones digit number is 8. So 8 we will write here. And in tens place what we have? 1. This one will be carried to tens place here. Now what we will do? Now we will multiply the tens digit number with 3. So 3 2s are how much, children? Yes, 3 2s are, it is 6. And with this 6 we have to add 1, means this carried number. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1, that becomes 7. So 7. So when we multiply 3 with 26, our answer is 78. So once again I am telling you this type of multiplication. First we have to multiply the ones digit number. So 3 6 are 18. 18, the ones digit number we will write here, and the tens digit number will be carried to tens place. Then we will multiply 3 with tens digit number, that is 3 2s are 6, and this carried number we will add. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is here 78. Now coming to our second question, that is we have to multiply 94 with 4, and in ones place we have 9 and tens place we have 1. So let us begin. So when we multiply, we have to start from ones digit. So 4 9s are how much, student? Yes, it is 36. 36 as 4 9s are 36. Now what number we will write here? As we know, this is ones and tens. So which number we will write here? Yes, the ones digit number, that is 6. Then what is left? Tens digit number, which will be carried to, where it will be carried, student? Yes, it will be carried to tens place. So we will write 3 here. Now student, then what we will do? We have to multiply then with tens digit number, that is 1. So 4 1s are 4. So and what about this 3? We have to add. So 4 1s are 4 plus 3. How much? 4 plus 3? Yes, 4 plus 3 is 7. So here we will write 7. So when we multiply 4 with 19 or 19 with 4, our answer is 76. How it is coming? Once again I will repeat. 4 9s are 36. 36. From 36, the ones digit number will come here and the tens digit number will be carried to tens place. then we will multiply 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, then 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Now coming to our third question, we have 27, we have to multiply with 5, or 5 multiplied with 27, and we know that we have to multiply first the ones digit number. So we'll start from this side. So 5 sevens are 35, and in 35, which is the ones digit number, you have to do it in your mind. Yes, it is 5. So 5 we will write here, and 3 will be carried here. Then what we will do? Then we will multiply the tens digit number. So 5 twos are 10, and 10, and we have one carried number here. So 5 twos are 10, and 10 plus 3, 13. So when we are multiplying 27 with 5, our answer is 135. Once again, 5 sevens are 35, 5 ones digit number we are writing here, and the tens digit number we are carrying over here. Then 5 twos are 10, and 10 plus 3, 13. Next question is, we have to multiply 24 with 7. So again, what we have to do? We have to multiply first ones digit number. So 7 fours are 28, and think in your mind which number you will write here. 28. So ones digit number here is 8. Yes, so we will write here 8. And what about 2? 2, where it will go? Yes, it will be carried over to tens place. Then what we have to do, children? Yes, we have to multiply 7 with 2. So 7 twos are 14, and 14 plus 2, yes, it is 16. So the answer is 168. So when we multiply 24 with 7, we get the answer 168. So children, you have understood multiplication of 2-digit numbers with regrouping or by carrying. Now you have to do all these sums in your school copy, and also do the homework that will be given in this video. Okay, student? Now students, see, this is your homework. This you will do in your school copy. Very neatly you have to do it, and also don't forget to give margins. Thank you children for watching.